Lecture 9. Adding transitions for smooth edits. Now that you have cut and trimmed your clips, it's time to learn how to connect them in a way that feels smooth and professional. That's where transitions come in. Transitions help you move from one scene to another without jarring cuts or awkward visual jumps. Whether you are fading out from a title, sliding into a new shot, or gently blending two clips together, transitions can make your video feel polished and intentional rather than stitched together. Objectives of the lecture. By the end of this lecture, you will be able to understand the purpose and types of transitions in video editing. Apply basic video transitions like cross dissolve and deep to black. Use audio transitions to smooth out sound between clips, adjust transition duration and placement for better timing. Why use transitions? In the real world, we don't experience life in sharp cuts. There are pauses, fades, and changes in focus. Transitions help recreate that natural flow in your video. They guide your viewers' attention, control pacing, and create emotional shifts without calling too much attention to themselves. A good transition is like good editing. You barely notice it, but you feel its effect. How to access transitions in Premiere Pro? Go to the window, click on Effects. In here you can see Effects panel. Open the Video Transitions folder to view categories like Dissolve, Slide and Wipe. Drag a transition onto the cut point between two clips in your timeline. You can also apply transitions to titles, images or B-roll, anywhere two visual elements meet. Common video transitions you will use often. Cross dissolve. A smooth fade from one clip to another, great for interviews, time lapses or calm scenes. Deep to black or white. Fades to black or white between clips, useful for scenes changes, endings or emotional pauses. Slide or push. Adds movement by sliding one clip off the screen as another enters. Use with caution. These can feel dramatic if overused. For example, drag a transition onto the cut point like this. To adjust the duration, click on the edge of the transition in the timeline and drag it to make it longer or shorter. In here you can see most transitions default to 1 second but can be customized to match the pacing of your content. Don't forget audio transitions. Video might get most of the attention, but sound can make or break your edit. Abrupt audio cuts can be distracting, even when the visuals are smooth. In the Effects panel, open the Audio Transitions and Crossfade folder. The most common one is Constant Power. It gently fades out one clip while fading in the next. Drag it between two audio clips to soften the transition. Always listen to your audio transitions with headphones. What looks smooth might sound too sharp without proper fading. Best practices for using transitions. Less is more. Don't use a different transition between every clip. Stick to 1 to 2 types per video. Be intentional. Use transitions to mark a change in topic, emotion or setting, not just to fill a space. Keep it consistent. If you use cross dissolve for one scene change, try to use it throughout the video for visual harmony. Transitions are there to support your story, not distract from it.